Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make some envelopes that can be kept inside the scrapbooks, journals, etc. I will be showing you 4 types of envelopes that can be made easily and kept inside the scrapbook, explosion box, journals, school projects, etc. So let's start the video by looking at the accessories we need for the first envelope making. So I'm taking a 4 centimeter in the compass and drawing a semicircle with it. After drawing a neat semicircle, you have to cut them off with a scissor. We need 3 more semicircles similarly. So totally we need 4 semicircles to make this envelope. These are the 4 semicircles that I cut off. And take each semicircle and paste the glue in it. Place them on the silver cardstock that I kept here. You can either take any design paper or chart paper, cardstock, etc. But here I am taking the silver foil cardstock. We have to arrange each semicircle neatly in that silver foil sheet to get the perfect envelope that we are making. After folding, you have to take a wiping sheet or tissue paper that here I took to clean up the messed up area like glue or other things. Here I took silver mirror cardstock, that's why the glue is stick on them. After cleaning, you can trim it like shapes. Here are the next things we need for making the semicircle card. So let's start making the semicircle card with these things. First of all, I am taking 4 centimeter in my compass and drawing a semicircle with it. After successfully drawing the semicircle on the given paper, you have to cut them with a small scissor to get a good shape. After cutting, you need one more semicircle like this. Similarly, we are taking that 2 semicircles and making a hole with the hole puncher at the center. After making holes on the semicircle with the hole puncher, we can take a sheet of paper or silver cardstock. Here I took a silver cardstock for pasting them. I used glue for pasting them on the sheet, and you have to take a ribbon or paper thread and tie it inside the holes. For making the next card, we need a paper of 18 centimeter into 9 centimeter and mark at 6 centimeter and 12 centimeter both up and down, and scroll it with a compass or any needle. Fold the lines that we have just now scored. Take the paper and make them upside down and fold them again. After folding, take a scale and compass for scoring diagonally and fold them. Similarly, you have to fold the other side by diagonally scoring. Now, at last, tie it with a ribbon. Here I took a red ribbon to tie them. This was our third card of the video, and either we can arrange it on a silver cardstock or we can just keep it. And now we can make the last card of the video by taking two pieces of paper of 8 cm into 10 cm and another piece 1.5 cm into 15 cm. Here I took the paper of 8 cm into 10 cm and mark 1 cm in all the sides. And you can take a scale and draw the lines, all the 4 lines. We have marked 1 cm width, and take a knife and cut the 3 sides as shown here. Now score at the center 5 cm and fold them backwards. After that, you can take the similar paper and score the edge of the sheet, fold them backwards. Now we have completed the first step using this paper, and take another sheet. We have told earlier 1.5 cm into 15 cm, mark 2 cm at each side and fold at one side. Paste the paper like this inside and you can make that slider sheet. Now take the another sheet and paste the red sheet on the silver card mirror stock to make the slider card more perfect. Now our slider card is partially ready. The last step is to paste a silver card mirror stock in to the area we have applied the glue. And now our slider card is ready. Hope you like the video of making 4 envelopes. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel.